Understanding market cap in crypto is a must, as it's going to help you as an investor to evaluate the size and potential of crypto projects. This is going to be a valuable tool for you in crypto, and we're going to look at what is market capitalization, what are the different market cap categories, and how to determine the size and potential of crypto projects. There are different websites you can use to track your cryptos, but we're going to focus on the most popular, CoinMarketCap, a very useful tool if used correctly. If you're not careful though, it can break you as a crypto investor, like it almost did to me in 2021, but we'll get to that later. Just to make sure you don't make the same mistakes I made in the previous two bull markets. What exactly is market capitalization? Market capitalization, or market cap, is a measure of a cryptocurrency's value. It is calculated by multiplying the current price of a single token by the total number of tokens in circulation. Essentially, market cap represents the total worth of cryptocurrency within the market. To ensure you're understanding and to make sure we're on the same page, let's look at a worked example using the number one crypto in terms of market cap, Bitcoin. Let's find Bitcoin's market cap on CoinMarketCap. The current price is just over 62,000 for one token. The circulating supply is 19,640,700 BTC. To get the market cap, you times the price by the circulating supply, and then you'll end up with the market cap, which is currently just over 1.2 trillion. So that's how we find the market cap of a particular crypto. You can look at other altcoins like Ethereum, USDT, BNB, Sol, etc., etc. What are the different market cap categories? Market cap is often divided into different categories, which can provide a general understanding of the size and potential of a cryptocurrency. Here are the common classifications. Large cap are cryptocurrencies with a market cap above 10 billion. These are generally well-established coins with higher liquidity and wider adoption. When thinking large cap, think Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe a stable coin like USDT. Mid cap, cryptocurrencies with market cap between 1 billion and 10 billion fall into this category. They can represent a balance between established coins and those with potential for growth. At the time of this video, we're talking about cryptos like Matic, ICP, and even CAS, which is one of my picks for 2024. Small cap, cryptocurrencies with a market cap between 100 million and 1 billion fall into this category. These coins might have more room for growth, but they also come with higher risk. This would be cryptos like Mana, Gala, and Cake. Micro cap, cryptocurrencies with a market cap below 100 million fall into this category. These coins are generally newer and have the highest potential for growth, but they also carry the most risk. I'm not familiar with any microcap projects, but if you keep going down the list, you'll eventually find thousands of cryptos. Now we're moving on to the important info and looking at evaluating the size and potential of cryptos you're thinking of investing into. You need to consider the market cap in relation to other factors. Price. Market cap alone is not sufficient to determine the value of a cryptocurrency. The coin's price also matters because a higher or lower price affects its affordability and investment feasibility. Adoption and use case is another important factor. It's crucial to assess the cryptocurrency's adoption rate and real-world utility. Look for evidence of partnerships, integrations, and projects that demonstrate the potential for increased usage. Competition. Understand the competitive landscape. Analyze how a cryptocurrency stands out from its competitors and whether it has unique features or advantages. Market trends. Keep an eye on the overall market trends and investor sentiment. Consider how various external factors such as regulatory decisions can impact the potential growth of a cryptocurrency. Look for latest crypto news with resources like Cointelegraph, for example, or even look at certain cryptos' websites. Understanding market capitalization is essential when evaluating the size and potential of cryptocurrencies. Remember to consider other factors like price, adoption, competition, and market trends alongside market cap. By conducting thorough research and analysis, you can make better informed investment decisions in the exciting world of crypto. All I want to do with this video is to give you another tool to add to your arsenal to help you become the best crypto investor you can be, so you can make the most of the huge opportunities that are coming in the crypto market. If you're a beginner, my personal opinion is that you should only really focus on large cap cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These are the safest options, and you should really be thinking safety at the start of your crypto journey. This is just my opinion, by the way. Nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. It is for information and education purposes only. As I said at the start, CoinMarketCap is a very useful tool, but it can also break you as a crypto investor. This isn't CoinMarketCap's fault, it's more of an individual thing. Many crypto investors get sucked up into the hype of crypto, like I did in 2021. Despite being a 4-year veteran, I made many mistakes in 2021, and one of the biggest mistakes was my obsession with checking the price of my cryptos on CoinMarketCap. There were periods when I checked the prices literally every 5 minutes, like I was a gambling addict in desperate need of the 12-step program. If you do this, it's going to lead to serious pain, stress, anxiety, frustration, and in general, not good for your mental health. If you start checking the price of your cryptos too much, like a few times per day, or much more like me, it's a sign you need to calm yourself down. It's a sign you're letting your emotions get the better of you. This, from my experience, leads to mistakes. Well, in this instance, end up a stressed out investor who loses money and never wants to invest again. Please don't let this be you. Please learn from my mistake here. A big factor in success as an investor is how you manage your emotions. If you're calm and neutral around money and investing, you have a very good chance of doing well. I want to protect you as an investor from all of the mistakes I've made over the last 20 odd years. If you're watching this video and you take note, this gives you some level of insulation from mistakes, but you are going to make the odd mistake. It's a fact of life. If you have this information, you're going to make less mistakes, in my humble opinion. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.